Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log in Staffology HR. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.app.staffologyhr.co.uk. Once you do so, you will end up in the official page of Staffology HR. So once you're here, you need to simply type in your username and then your password of your account. And once you're done typing that all in, you need to tap on the sign in button. After you do so, you will get logged in into your account. However, if you have forgotten your password or forgotten your username, then simply tap on forgotten username and forgotten password to simply reset them. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.